In the first step, open an Ethereum and a 5-minute time frame. This strategy will include 3 free trading view indicators. Therefore, for the first indicator, head over to indicators and search for AKMACD and select this one to add the AKMACD BB indicator to the chart. That would be how the AKMACD indicator looks on the chart, but keep in mind that some adjustments are needed. So click on the settings menu and in the inputs tab, change the BB period to 25, the fast length to 25, and the slow length to 50. Then in the style tab, get rid of upper band, lower band, bar colors, and the fill. And change the zero line color to white and make it a little more thicker. The AKMACD indicator would be our main indicator which issues our buy and sell signals. So whenever the dot's color changes from red to green and the dot is above the zero line, this first green dot would be our buy signal. And whenever the dots change from green to red and the dot is below the zero line, this first red dot would be our sell signal. So now let's check it out on the chart to better understand it. So here's the dot's color changed from red to green and the dot is above the zero level. So this would be our buy signal. And if I draw a vertical line, I can trade by the close of this candlestick. Here the colors of the dots changed from green to red and the dot is below the zero level, so this would be our short signal. And if I draw a vertical line, this candlestick would be our trigger candle. But remember that using this indicator by its own is a mistake. Therefore, let's add the second indicator to the chart. So again, head over to the indicator section and search for double EMA or DEMA. And select this indicator to add it to the chart. Then click on the settings and in the input section change its length to 200. Then head over to a style section and make its color to white and make the DEMA line a little more thicker. So whenever the price action is below the double EMA indicator, we are in a bearish market. And whenever the price action is above the double EMA indicator, we are in a bullish market. So for a buy signal to be valid, we need a buy signal issued by the AKMACD indicator. Then we should make sure that we are in a bullish market. So the price action should be above the double EMA. Therefore, this signal would be valid. And for a sell signal to be valid, we need a short signal issued by the AKMACD indicator, and to confirm that, we should make sure that we are in a bearish market, so the price action should be below the double EMA indicator. Therefore, this sell signal would be a valid signal. Let's check it out on Forex market and on USD CAD and a 1 hour time frame. Now it's time to complete our setup by adding the third indicator to the chart. So for the third indicator, get into the indicator section and search for MACD 4C. Then this would be our MACD 4C indicator. But to adjust the settings, head over to its menu and in the inputs, change the fast moving average to 50 and a slow moving average to 100. Then in the Style tab, exactly follow my steps and change the colors 0 and 1 to green and color 2 and 3 to red. Then change the zero line to white. So whenever the MACD Forex indicator histogram is above the zero line and it is green, we are in a bullish market and we only take buy signals. And whenever the histogram of the indicator is below the zero level and it is red, we are in a bearish market, so we only take sell signals. So after you understand how to install these indicators, let me explain the entry and exit rules. But before that, if the video was useful so far, it could be an encouragement if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So for a buy signal to be valid, we need the MACD indicator to change the dots color from red to green, and the dots should be above the zero level. And to confirm that, the price action should be above the DMA indicator. And for the last confirmation, the histogram of the MACD Forex should be above the zero line and it should be green. So when all these conditions are met, our buy signal would be valid and we can place a buy order. And a suitable stop loss for the buy signal would be to use the recent swing low. And set the take profit position at 1.5 times greater than the stop loss value. And exactly opposite is also true for short signals. So a short signal is valid if the AK MACD indicator changes the dots color from green to red and the dots should be below the zero level. So for the first confirmation, we should make sure that we are in a bearish market, so the price action should be below the DMA indicator. And for the last confirmation, the MACD Forex histogram should be below the zero level and it should be red. Therefore, when all these conditions are met, our short signal would be valid and we can place our short position. Then set your stop loss position on the last swing high of the market. And position your take profit at 1.5 times greater than the stop loss value. But even if you want to learn another high win rate trading strategy to earn money trading crypto, stocks and forex, you need to check out this video right here.